Hello, my name is Steven Goodwin.
Et je m'appelle Lily.
We are Team Similarly Geeky, and I am here to present our hack, Secret Babble, using the Radisys platform.
Et je suis aussi ici pour présenter notre hack Secret Babble, qui utilise Radisys.
So, for various reasons, speaking languages other than English are really difficult for me. So I have to rely on guidebooks, which is fine for when it comes to asking the questions. But the printed word isn't very useful when it comes to understanding the answers that you hear back. Thus, Secret Babble. By setting up a Radisys voice call, we use their speech-to-text transcription service to send that text to our webhook. Our webhook will extract the text from the JSON payload, pass it to an online translation service, and then return the text back to us, which we pass on to Radisys as part of EML to be spoken on the call.
Pour l'instant, il est disponible en anglais, français, allemand, espagnol, mais il y a beaucoup d'autres langues. Par exemple, russe et ukrainien pourraient être utiles.
Yeah, what she said. So, let's look at that in action.
Secret Babble.
Hello.
Bonjour.
I would like a room for 2 nights.
Je voudrais une chambre pour 2 nuits.
Setting. French into English.
Setting translator. FRFR to ENGB.
Bonjour, je voudrais une chambre pour 2 nuits avec douche, s'il vous plaît.
Hello, I would like a room for all night with shower, please.
Setting. Spanish to French.
Setting translator ES to FRFR.
Solo quiero soñar.
Je veux seulement rêver.
The secret part is because you can prefix any message with the word secret, and the translation is only sent to your phone. Let's look at that in action.
Secret. Hello, how are you?
Ok.
Construction of the hack was relatively straightforward, but it had enough little gotchas to trip us up along the way. We'll go through what those are. So, first was the connection. In previous projects, we'd used ngrok, which exposed our local app on a local machine to an external address. ngrok no longer allows this in the free version, so we fired up an EC2 instance in AWS. This has a public-facing IP, and from this point, everything else went fine.
Next, the capitalization of locales was inconsistent, so little massaging was necessary there.
We also noticed an odd case where the speech-to-text transcription for French actually returned English. So consequently, we didn't need to translate the French text into English. It had already been done.
You'll notice we always have an OK prompt. This is because you can't have a blank say phrase, as it causes the call to terminate. So the fact you're using the secret Babble translator isn't completely secret. But we could try playing a WAV file or silence if this becomes an issue. From an accessibility standpoint, it is always good to notify users that something has happened. Also, if the system is speaking a longer prompt, it can sometimes get heard by the speech-to-text system and end up being passed to the app for translation. You can imagine the loop. As noted in the demo, we have the ability to translate text publicly between multiple languages and send the results to a phone, using Notify in this case. Radisys has language tags on both the input and the output language, so you also get the accent on playback. We can see Secret Babble have many useful applications. First and foremost, it reduces the language barrier, but could also serve in trickier situations where you might need to discreetly send a transcript of a conversation in conflict situations.
So, that's all from us. Merci beaucoup et au revoir.
Thank you and goodbye.